Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox not launching. So sometimes the Roblox does not start up. So to fix that, all you have to do is click on Windows button, go to here, search for control panel. Alright, so once you're here, just click on uninstall a program and then search for Roblox. So I'm just going to search here. So we can see the Roblox over here. Just click here, right click this and click on uninstall. Alright, so our Roblox has been successfully uninstalled. So there is just one step left. Just click on Windows, search for command prompt, and over here just go to app data, and then local. Now search for Roblox. So if you want to, alright, so now all you have to do is remove the Roblox directory. Alright, just click Y and enter. Alright, that's done. Now all you have to do is install the Roblox once again from the Roblox website. So let's go to Roblox. And then install the Roblox player from here. So and your Roblox will be launched. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.